Okay, children,
Good morning.
we all are knowing that being absent is dangerous for our examination. Then after you children are continuously being absent. What is the reason? Daily teachers are sending reminders, and till the date I have not got so many your notes, so many of yours notes. है ना? Those who have sent, it's okay, no need to give explanation. And those who has not sent, be ready for 0 marks in your copy correction, because this message is sent by principal ma'am, by your class teacher. Yes. Then after, you are just ignoring all of this, you are just ignoring. What's the reason, may I know? Hmm, what is the reason, may I know? Many of you are there, those who has not sent your notebooks. Then after, you are still you are getting reminder one, twice, thrice, again and again. Then after, you're not sending. Yesterday at the night, midnight, the Marchna ma'am and I sent message to please send your notes book. It is compulsory to send, beta. Okay. And let's wait for a couple of minutes more. Till then, all the students will join the class. Then after, we will start today's quiz round of chapter 1, political science. कितने लोगों का रिवीजन पूरा हो चुका है? How many of you have completed your revision? Raise your hand. Viram Jain. Only Viram. Harshit. Expected. And what about the others? Not interested? Okay, Nandika. Good. Ma'am, only civics and economics is left. Good morning, Millie. So, Samyak. Ayush Lunia. Akshat Jain. Good. So, in this session, can I expect 100% result of SST? मैम ओनली हिस्ट्री एंड सिविक्स इज लेफ्ट. तो क्या किया आपने? ज्योग्राफी और इकोनॉमिक्स. दर्शन, देन व्हाट यू हैव कंप्लीटेड? इकोनॉमिक्स एंड हिस्ट्री, सॉरी, ज्योग्राफी. Okay, so for this session, for this COVID session, I know all of we are suffering a lot just because of these online classes. Not only you children, teachers also are suffering, because what we want to give you, we are not able to give that much, है ना? So then after, we are trying and expecting to. May I expect 100% result from you all? Purab? Very good, Nandika. Good. How many of you are thinking that you will get 90 plus marks in SST? Please raise your hand. How many of you are thinking that 90 plus marks you will get in SST? Veeram, Meeli, Akshat Jain, yes, Nandika, Mehul, Arihant Lunia, Purab Jain, Sanidhya Chopra. Ayush, raise your hand. Ayush Lunia, एंड सिंह, आयुष लुनिया, आदिश्वर पारक। ये मत सोचो कि जिनका नाम मैं नहीं ले रही हूं दे विल नॉट गेट मार्क्स, दे विल ऑल्सो गेट, बट नीड हार्ड वर्क. Akshat Jain, raise your hand. Anmol. Kyun? I thought all the hand will be raised by you. Why you are not raising your hand, all of you? Samkit. Mili Ranka, Nitika, Nishi, Deshna Kakaria, Sambhav. What happened to these children, huh? You don't want to get. You don't want to get or will not get, huh? No, I am not asking about the 80 plus. I want 90 plus marks. How many of you will give me 90 plus marks? Okay, so before starting the class, I would like to know what is lacking here. I'm asking about my teaching. Now, what you want something extra? Please tell me, children. All of you are unmuted from my side. Unmute your mic and tell. No need to send me a chat. बेटा प्लीज अनम्यूट योर माइक. आई वॉन्ट टू लिसन, आई वॉन्ट टू नो. एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना, समटाइम्स आई एम थिंकिंग दैट आई एम गिविंग यू 100%, बट if I will see from your perspective, I think you need something more. What could be the extra? Please tell me. Then after we will do in such way. Please, all of you are unmuted. I am waiting बेटा. जरूरी नहीं है कि टीचर ही हमेशा आपको गाइड करे, है ना. You can also guide a teacher. You can also give a part to your teacher कि नहीं मैम ऐसा हम करते हैं, हम ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, and I am waiting for such guidelines from you. Veeram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yes. What could be something else we can add here in our teaching? You told me flow chart. Okay, it's a
Ma'am,
promise in
I
our.
think,
Huh?
ma'am, I think we can revise short way by flow charts, mind maps and all. It would be attractive also.
हाँ, it would be attractive. It's my promise, Viram, in a very next class, when we will start taking class from the school, I will provide flow chart, because where I get whiteboard for better explanation. Okay. Something else? Very good. Thank you, Viram.
Ma'am, write everything.
Yes, Sonal.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, we can also take a live test. Like all will open the camera and you will show the question paper and we will write. So we will have the writing practice also.
So that we already do in our class now. When we discuss the question paper, I told you, in our previous class, I told you, please on your camera and write down the question, then send me the same PDF. This is these we are doing in the class. Before board, we will be able to come to school. Yes, Nandika, obvious you all will be able to come to school before board. Hope so. Ki after 15 days, means in a new year 2021, we will get new advisory from the government with proper precautions. We will get very soon. Okay, now mic will be on only when you are replying. If all the hands are there for 90 to 80 marks, means all the hands should be raised, and I want to listen voice from all of you without any excuse. I know Mili Ranka is facing some problem, so only I accept chat from the Mili Ranka. Okay, So questions is from power sharing, that is chapter 1 of your political science. Which one of the following countries does not share its boundaries with Belgium? France, Sweden, Netherlands, or none of these?
Sweden.
Ma'am, second option, B option.
Sweden.
Option C,
Sweden, ma'am.
yeah, option C, Sweden is right answer.
B.
B nahi C, option C, B is Netherlands. In Belgium, the
No, ma'am,
percentage of
C.
French community is, need options. In Belgium, the percentage of French community is dash.
40%.
49%.
Yes, 40% is right answer. 40% is right answer. Which language is dominantly spoken in Belgium? Which language is dominantly spoken in Belgium?
Germany.
Dutch.
Dutch is right answer. Germany नहीं बोला जाता था
Dutch.
वहाँ पे. Dutch is right answer. Next, power struggle demanding separate lamb was launched by Sinhalese, Buddhist.
Tamils.
Yes, Tamilians are the Tamilians is right answer.
मैम क्वेश्चन थोड़ा समझ नहीं आई, बार रिपीट.
Sinhala.
I will share this with you na later on. Which of the following is capital city of Belgium?
Brussels.
Yes,
Brussels.
Brussels is right answer.
Ma'am, Brussels.
Yes. Belgium shared its border with countries dash dash dash.
France, Netherlands,
Netherlands,
Germany,
France,
Luxembourg.
Germany, Luxembourg.
Luxembourg.
Germany.
हाँ, France,
Germany, France,
Luxembourg.
Netherlands.
Good.
Luxembourg.
Okay, got it. What is the
Libya.
percentage of Sri Lankan Tamils out of the total population of Sri Lanka? What is the percentage of Sri Lankan Tamils out of the total population of Sri Lanka?
13%. 13.
13% is right answer. 13% is right answer. Power shared among governments at different levels is also called
Vertical
Horizontal power distribution.
horizontal is right. Wrong answer. Vertical is
right.
Yes, vertical is
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Vertical distribution. A war-like conflict between two opposite groups in a country is called
Civil war.
Civil war is right answer. Civil war is absolutely right answer. Next question. Belgium has worked on the principles of A, which I am unable to pronounce. Please understand majoritarianism, accommodation. Accommodation is right answer. Sri Lanka is an island nation just a few kilometers from a southern coast of
India.
India.
which state of India? Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu.
Kerala.
तमिलनाडु इज राइट आंसर. मतलब सब एक एक बार बोल दो, कोई गोवा बोल दो, कोई केरला बोल दो, कोई कुछ बोल दो, है ना. तमिलनाडु इज राइट आंसर. Majoritarianism constitution was adopted by which country?
Sri Lanka.
Right answer.
Sri
What is
Lanka.
the Sri Lanka is right answer. What is the percentage of Sinhala speaking people in Sri Lanka?
84.
84 is wrong.
78.
Wrong.
72.
72 is very close. Very close.
70,
74 is absolutely right answer. 74 is absolutely right answer. What is the percentage of Sinhala speaking people in Sri Lanka? And the answer is 74. Okay. Power sharing is desirable because it A, helps to people of different communities to celebrate their festivals. B, imposes the will of the majority community over others. C, reduces the conflict between social groups. D, ensures the stability of political order.
Option C.
Reduces the
Option C,
conflict.
reduce the conflict between social group is absolutely right answer.
C, ma'am.
Yes, option C. Next question. Intelligent sharing, sorry. Division of power between higher and power level of government is known as, ये हम अभी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं जस्ट, वर्टिकल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर.
Vertical.
Partial.
In Belgium, 3 communities are living dash dash and dash.
French, Dutch, and
French,
German.
Dutch, and Germany.
German.
Yes,
ma'am.
France,
French,
Dutch,
Dutch,
and
and
German is
German.
right answer.
French, Dutch, German.
French, Dutch, German.
Okay, dash has started power struggle demanding separate elam in Sri Lanka.
Tamil.
Tamilalam.
Yes,
Lankan.
Tamilians, Sri Lankan Tamilians भी बोल सकते हैं. Dash was started in Sri Lanka due to distrust.
Civil war.
between the-
Civil war.
Yes, civil war.
War.
Both dash and dash share power on an equal basis at dash in Belgium. Both dash and dash share power.
French and Dutch. French
Yes.
and
French and Dutch.
Both Dutch and French share power on equal
And
basis at dash in Belgium. पहला आपने
Brussels.
सही बोला आयुष. Both Dutch and French share power on equal basis at dash in Belgium.
Belgium.
community government.
Brussels.
Yes, government. Central government is right
Yes,
answer.
ma'am, government.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
In Belgium, lastly, the power is shared between dash and dash. In Belgium, lastly, the power is shared between dash and dash.
French and Dutch. French and Dutch.
French and Dutch.
I'm asking about government. I'm asking about government. 3 types of government was
Central and state.
central, state,
Central
and
Central and
community.
state.
Central and community government. Yes, central, state and community government. Good. मतलब आप लोग से कुछ भी पूछा जाए चैप्टर से रिलेटेड, you are ready to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Which of the following is not the form of power sharing? Listen the options. A, vertical division of power. It is B, horizontal division of power. Division of power between people. Division of power among social groups.
Option C.
Division of
Option C, division of
number
power
C.
between people.
Among people.
Option C is correct.
Division
answer.
of power between people.
People. Option C.
Okay, can you give me an example of vertical division of power and horizontal division of power? एक एक करके देना ना.
And vertical मतलब central, state और local level.
Vertical में
Horizontal
central,
मतलब
state and
legislative, executive और judiciary.
बेटा excuse me, if someone is speaking we should quiet, है ना? So one by one, in this way all we will be able to listen the answer. Yes.
Ma'am,
What you are saying?
Vertical
Then
distribution of power is ensured by central, state and local government.
अरिहंत बोल रहा था ना, उसको बोलने दो. हाँ अरिहंत बोलो.
मैम वर्टिकल पावर शेयरिंग में सेंट्रल, स्टेट और लोकल, और हॉरिजॉन्टल में एग्जीक्यूटिव, जुडिशियरी और लेजिस्लेटिव.
Yes, right. Okay, so the next question is, the question is repeated again and again. Assertion and reason. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we do one thing? You will ask question and we will raise our hand and you will ask one by one.
The same thing we were
No,
doing.
ma'am.
Rakhi.
Ma'am,
The same
time
thing
is-
नो मैम,
So,
ये ठीक है.
बहुत टाइम लग जाता है.
मैम इसमें डिस्कस हो जा रहा है सबसे.
May I? Actually, we were doing same thing, Rashi, but what was happening in the class? Only 2-3 people were raising their hand, and rest were just sitting and listening. God knows they were listening or not. So this is the best way. Here I am observing, the recording is going on, so I can see who are telling, who are not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If the question is for a lengthy question or the question is for 3 or 5 marks, I will give chance one by one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now listen it carefully. It is assertion and reason. Assertion is, in Belgium, the leaders realized that the unity of the country is possible by respecting the feelings and interests of different countries. May I repeat it? Okay,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
fine.
no.
Okay, no, I'm not repeating. Reason is Belgium favored Dutch speaking community. ठीक है?
Assertion is true.
Assertion is true, reason is
Assertion is
false.
true, but the reason is false.
Option D.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
assertion
अरे
is
No.
true,
इसी को
reason is
let me
false.
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
बेटा.
Assertion true, reason false.
ठीक है?
Option D.
Ma'am, option A is right.
What is the meaning of option A? अभी तो मैंने बोला नहीं.
Assertion is true, but the
Yes,
Assertion is
I
true,
was
reason is
going to
strong.
tell the same. If both assertion and the reason are true, A है ना, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. सब चीज correct है तब option A. Option B, if both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Fine. Option C, if assertion is true but reason is false. Option D, if both reason and assertion and reason
option
are
C.
Option C. Option
C. C.
Option C.
Option A.
ये कौन है अजीब अजीब आवाजें निकालने वाला?
सानिध्य चोपड़ा.
सानिध्य. ऑप्शन सी भी गलत है, ऑप्शन ए भी गलत है, एंड द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. बोथ assertion and
D.
reason are false. Fine. That's why I was telling बेटा.
मैम assertion तो सही है ना?
How assertion is wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
बार आप
Assertion
repeat
is
कर
true.
I mean, Belgium,
ma'am.
they decided to share power.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am reading it once again, then listen, then tell me. In Belgium, the leaders realized that the unity of country is possible. यहाँ तक सही है. By respecting the feeling and interest of different countries.
Countries are in a
Countries.
different route.
That's why I am telling. That's why I am
मैम
telling.
community
Listen
समझे आप
carefully.
लोग. Community समझे.
Yes, that's why I am telling, beta. Listen it carefully.
Option D, ma'am.
Yes, now option D.
Option D.
Next question is
Both are wrong.
now listen. French speaking community in Belgium was rich and powerful. Again, I am repeating. French speaking community in Belgium was rich and powerful. Reason: Belgian government favored French speaking community.
Assertion is true, but reason is false.
Assertion is true, but reason is
Option
false.
C.
Yes, option
Option
C.
C.
Assertion is true,
Option
but
C,
reason
ma'am.
is false. Good. Next is assertion. In a democracy, everyone has voice in the shaping of public policies. In a democracy, everyone has voice in the shaping of public policies. Reason: India has federal system.
Option
Both are true, but reason is not the
Yes,
correct
ma'am.
explanation
Option
of
B.
assertion. Option B.
Option B.
Yes.
B.
Ajit,
Option B.
right, option B is correct answer.
Option
Both
B.
assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Okay. So, if the question would be twisted, you people are able to solve it. उसको properly पढ़ना, समझना, फिर answer देना. Fine. Now I'm going to ask some 3 marks and 5 marks questions. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a moment. Fine. So now you will raise hand. Please don't shout together. The question I'm asking, it is already there in 15th year record. Explain any 3 consequences of the majoritarian policies adopted by the Sri Lankan government. अगर आप 5 पॉइंट बता सकते हो तो 5 पॉइंट ओके है. आई विल मार्क एज अ 5 मार्क्स, अदरवाइज 3. अभी तक एक भी हाथ नहीं उठाया है.
मैम मैं
Ma'am,
आई
can you repeat?
मैम मैं आई
Yes. The question is,
Ma'am, Sri Lanka-
explain any 3 consequences of the majoritarian policies adopted by the Sri Lankan government. Yes, Khushi? Khushi Bothra. Unable to unmute. Arihant?
Ma'am, Sinhala is considered as an official language. Only Christianity is promoted,
Yes.
and Tamil were suppressed. Other community except Sinhala were suppressed.
हाँ, ठीक है.
3.
Anything else, Nandika?
Sinhalese will be privileged,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, the consequences of a majoritarian rule over the state of Sri Lanka are, first point is that the civil war, the outbreak of a civil war between the communities due to difference of opinion. Second, the other communities, first of all, Buddhism was the religion that was promoted in Sri Lanka, and other religions and language minorities were completely suppressed. And the third is the support of government, the support of government to the majority population and the Sinhala community led the Tamil people to break the country into another half and creating their own elam. They demanded for it. So it implies that such a rule breaks the harmony of the country.
Good. आप सबने सही बोला ना. Okay. The next question is,
One point more is there.
yes, add it.
In 1956, an act was passed to recognize Sinhala as an official language.
Good. Now, do you think power sharing is important in democracy? Justify your answer.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
think power sharing is important in democracy? Justify your answer. Yes, I am waiting.
Yes, may I answer?
हाँ, Viram, please.
Yes, ma'am. In democracy, power sharing is important because democracy is the rule of people. So, if the majority of a country is supported, then minority will be suppressed. So, the people who are under minority will not get rights. But democracy is the people's rule, in which all people should have equal rights and dignity. So, in a democracy, power sharing is must.
Good. Yes, Harshit, something else you want to add here? No. Nandika, you want to add here something?
Ma'am, it reduces conflicts between social groups.
Obvious.
Also reduces the load.
हाँ. Yes, yes, continue.
Ma'am, also reduces the load of the government. Helps to get ideas, ma'am.
Good.
New ideas and policies.
Gives more
And
autonomy to the
Ma'am,
government.
development of
And
a country.
good
also
way
increases.
to ensure that stability.
हाँ.
Stability in political orders.
Yes, here Taru is saying power sharing is the need of democracy because of the following help in the reducing the possibility of conflict between the social groups. Since social conflict often leads to violence and political instability. Power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. ये आप बोल सकते हो तरु अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके. Good. So in this way, all you have covered all the points. How can power be shared among government at different levels? How can power be shared among governments at different levels?
Can I?
हर्षित के अलावा किसी और को नहीं बोलना है. Yes,
Ma'am, can
Rakshita. Sure, Shreyans, please.
Ma'am, the power is being shared in the central government, state government, and the local government, and these are known as a vertical distribution of power. And
You can
Ma'am.
put example of India simply.
Yes,
Whatever
ma'am.
you are telling, you can justify your answer with putting an example of India. India is a, as we all know, India is a federal country and we have 3 levels of government, है ना? और आपने वर्टिकल
Yes, ma'am.
डिवीजन ही बताया तो आप सीधा सीधा इंडिया को बता दो, सेंट्रल है, स्टेट और लोकल है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. Mention any 3 major demands of Sri Lankan Tamils. Mention any 3 major demands of Sri Lankan Tamils. सीधा सीधा अगर ऐसा इसको this one is a straight question, मतलब आपका your
Ma'am, may
answer
I?
will be also straight.
May I?
Yes, you
Ma'am,
may.
may I?
बोलो.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो तरु.
ma'am, Sri Lankan
Ma'am, they
Tamils was
demanded
wanting that they should not get all the privileges that other people are getting in Sri Lanka, like Sri Lankan gets all the majority.
Yes, I am turning the page now. Good. Yes, continue Taru. हो गया तरु? Completed. Yes, Darshan.
Ma'am, to recognize that Tamil language is official language.
ठीक है, 1 point.
Ma'am, they demanded a separate country for Tamil.
Separate alum.
वो तो
Separate
दूसरा
state.
है.
Separate country, but this demand was fulfilled.
Equality.
But it soon turned into civil war.
हाँ.
Equal representation in central and state level.
Yes.
Equality should be there.
To grant jobs to
So,
those
equality
of other
of
language
yes,
minorities as well,
they
other than the
demanded
Sinhala.
equal opportunities for Tamil in government jobs and educational institutions.
Education system.
Yes, provincial autonomy for Tamil dominated provinces, है ना? जो आपने separate electoral की बात की ना, that is there. Okay, children. We have still 4 minutes in hand, so we can complete one more question. Let me check which is the important
Yes, ma'am.
question. Okay. What is horizontal distribution of power? Mention its any 2 advantages or differentiate between the horizontal division of power and vertical division power with comparison of its advantages and disadvantages.
Ma'am,
Disadvantages मत बोलो, advantages बोल दो.
And when the power is equally shared between government, it is horizontal form of power sharing. For example, power sharing
Ma'am,
between judiciary, executive, legislature.
ma'am,
And
advantage it is.
Horizontal and vertical.
हर्षित बोलने दो, उनको भी बोलने दो एक एक करके ना. आपने एक बोला, अब उनको बोलने दो. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल डिवीजन ऑफ
Ma'am,
पावर.
advantage. Ma'am, it is check and balance. Everyone is checked by other and
हाँ,
checked.
check and balances है ना. It means
Yes,
the
ma'am.
concept of check and balances. Good. और एक इसका है एडवांटेजेस, क्या हो सकता है?
No one can share ultimate power.
Ma'am, it reduces the conflict.
ये तो दोनों में होगा ना. नाउ वर्टिकल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर फास्ट. इससे पहले कि क्लास ऑफ हो जाए जल्दी से
Ma'am,
वर्टिकल
power
डिवीजन.
sharing among government at different levels.
Different
For
level.
example, in India, central,
India.
state, and
Hmm.
local government.
Okay. So we can say in a vertical division of power, constitution clearly lays down the power of different levels of government. मतलब किसी एक हाथ में centralized ना हो करके ये power distributed होता है. There is no concept of check and balances because powers are clearly given by the constitution from the higher level to the lower level. यहाँ पे check और balance नहीं होता. But horizontal में क्या होता है? Check and it is in a horizontal division of power sharing. It is a concept of check and balances. But in a vertical, no check and balance is there. Is it clear, children? So for today, this much only. Please check the portal. I will upload by evening this question paper in your portal. God bless you. In a very next class with new chapters. Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.